All right, Kate, show me your trick.
Well, okay, that was not the flick.
Do you think that's a good idea? Huh?
I got died. Well,
So that's what you can do?
I can even do something else. Look, I even made it. You know?
Great. All right, let's get down. Come on. Kate.
I try to do one more flick, but I need to do some more awesome flick on this one now. I was saying so.
Are you a daredevil, Kate? Do you think that's a little dangerous?
No, I don't. Because I never even fall when I do all these flips.
You're kind of a crazy girl, aren't you? All right, let's go.
I have 3 more flips.
Come on. All right. I'm shutting off the camera.